No, the buldak looks like the tangna soup. Oh my gosh. Let me taste it though. It's not spicy at all because I put too much water. Wow, amazing. I'll eat like the soup, like this. Look at this. Isn't it funny? Mmm. No spiciness. Washed out noodle. Mmm. So, if you guys like me, you can't eat the spicy thing, you can do this. Put lots of water. Mmm. Are you okay? My husband is coughing. Maruchan soup. Lovely. Excellent. With Maruchan soup and buldak. Awesome. I like it. Washed buldak. It was so spicy because the sauce was so dense. Huh? When it's diluted with water, it's not spicy. Splashed. Maruchan soup. So good. Wow. So good. There's a noodle left in Maruchan. Love it so much. I don't drink the soup like that usually. Buldak, I can drink the soup. It's too spicy. I really like the Maruchan. Lovely. Maybe I can eat this every day, you know, but I'm not gonna do that, but then, you know, that's soft. And Buldak finish. Splashed again. Lovely, lovely. Hey, look. There's no noodle left. No noodle. Just a little bit. Wow, wow, wow. No noodle. Splash to my face. Okay, I think I finished the Buldak. No noodle. Oh. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon with the steak filet mignon and steak and kimchi jjigae. See ya.